we there yet? Are we there yet? What's that?
New BMW.
That one there? What the f? You are f***ing kidding me.
No.
You can't be serious. Get me out, Szymon. Szymon! Get me out of here!
BMW news. Which camera we talk? This one?
Close-up shot, and this is the main camera.
Okay, so we talk there. Hi and welcome in 2023.
We hope that you liked our videos in the previous year.
Of course they like it.
What? So if you haven't checked them, check them out. Link here, or somewhere. We have something special reserved in this episode.
We are starting this year from the very high C note. C like coupe. What do you think about it?
The old coupe? But
No. The old coupe is still in progress. This is completely different car.
Still in progress.
Yes, but it's almost done.
Almost. It's still there.
It's almost. Give me 10 minutes. As you can see, we have blanket here. Blanket with very familiar stripes colors on it and the badge on it that probably is suggesting you what's under it.
So the story goes, last summer, Dawid and Szymon called me up and said, hey, get ready in 10 minutes. We're coming to your place and picking you up because we have a special day trip planned ahead of us, which I didn't know anything about.
Yeah, but I knew where we are going because I had already key to that beauty in my pocket. Szymon also knew what's going to happen, so we took Roni to the trip.
Here's some shots from that trip, so enjoy.
Let's go to the big screen.
Are we there yet? 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 Are we there yet?
No, we have still 60 kilometers.
60 kilometers.
42 minutes. Be
Where are we
patient.
going? So boys, what the f is this going on? You told me to take the camera with me and where we are going?
Keep calm. It's a surprise. Keep calm. We are going for the small trip. I have some surprise for you.
Alright, so
But don't ask me how far it is, how long we will take to drive there and stuff like that.
are we there yet? Szymon, we there yet? Oh, what the f Szymon?
Szymon is a driver, you know.
Yeah.
Patrz co za kurwa.
Where are we going, Szymon?
I don't know.
You have some inside information.
No, I don't have information. I have autopilot. Szymon, yes, he knows. He knows what is going on.
Okay. I have to let you know that from here I bought my E60.
Right.
So I know that I'm getting suspicious because there is a lot of car sales places in here.
Good
Car
Sherlock.
dealers.
Good Sherlock. Maybe we pick some car.
What car would we possibly need at this
I
moment?
don't know. Maybe some BMW. We are getting there. 450 meters. I think I can show you something. You know, I already bought it.
What's that?
That's the key. What?
That's the key to what?
To BMW.
What the f, David? What did you go and do?
I was planning this for 1 month already, and now it's happening. Take the left.
There is a car dealership.
Oh my goodness, yes.
Oh, there's a good looking BMW. Are you selling? What? Are you telling me that? That one there?
Which one? That's
That black one? What the f? What? You are f***ing kidding me.
No.
You are f***ing kidding me.
No.
David, you can't do this to me.
What's this?
You can't be serious. There's a giant lock here. Get me out, Szymon. Szymon! What? Get me out of here! What the f, guys? What is happening? Is this really yours?
Yes.
You are what?
This is my new car.
That can't be. That really can't
Our
be.
new project for our YouTube channel. Let's go warm it up.
Did you know about this?
Yes, of course.
You didn't tell me.
Already.
You throw it? What the f, guys? No. I still don't believe you. There is some catch.
There is no catch.
There's no catch?
No. This is our.
It's an M3 car
This is a
with manual transmission.
manual transmission,
Oh
and
my goodness. Oh my goodness.
this is the oil owner. Oh, sorry. Yes, this
Alright.
is the oil owner. He sold me this car. So
It's a good one.
yes, it's a good one.
Alright.
We have to still take a look for the couple things in that, but I believe we can produce awesome content for that.
Yes, it's an M3 car, of course. What the David? I can't believe, David, that you did this shit.
Huh?
Can't believe that you did
I'm
this.
sorry, I didn't tell you. It is what
Alright.
it is.
It is what it is, yeah, definitely.
Test drive?
Not test drive. We are going back home with this car. So guys, we have it. I think we talk more once we will get to the workshop.
Yeah, let's. Oh my goodness, those sounds. We will talk more in the garage, and for now, we just enjoy this. Oh my goodness! What the the power? Unreal.
360 horsepower.
360. Oh my goodness. That's really what? Oh yeah.
So now it's time to show the car. So this is Kurva 8. This is it. This is the M3. Do you want to see cool videos about this car? Roni, bring the tender.
Always some troubles.
Always some struggle.